Say cheese. Say dada.
Dada.
Yeah. Just some shit I was thinking about, man. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
You know I'm trying to get rich, baby.
This ain't nothing new. I've been in this position before. Grandma crib.
Oh! Oh!
Didn't say that back. Cause when you love me. What's up, family? Welcome to Sneaker Notes. And today we are reviewing the Adidas Yeezy 700 V2 Geodes. Or Geode. Or Geode.
Here are my partners.
I don't know how to pronounce it, but let's get straight into the review. Unboxing time. Boost 700 Yeezys. I feel like being that this is a V2 and not just a 700 like the Wave Runners, that Yeezy should really change the box to try to separate V2s from 700s, but that's neither here nor there. We got the same brown paper bag looking cardboard box, Yeezy 700 box. He's keeping it original. Same pullout. White tissue paper. And you flip that open. And here you got your Adidas Yeezy V2 Geodes. Get a closer view. Spin that around for you guys. Get the total 360 view. Now, when I first saw pictures of this sneaker, I'm not big on brown at all. But it was a V2. And being that I slept on the reflectives or the salts, whatever they call in those 700 V2s, I said, let me get these. So first glance, these sneakers are very light. Very light. Light shoe. Get closer. Most of the sneaker are brown. But most of the sneakers like most of the Yeezys that have been coming out lately still have that gray tone in it. Yeezy's been keeping it true to gray. Gray has been like it's been added to every Yeezy so far since the year started. So you come down, as I tell you, that's a dark gray. But if you look real close, those blue dots that's on our niches, that's like look pink. And I think on the Wave Runners, it's pink also. This is navy blue if you get close. Those two dots are navy blue. It's hard to see, but it kind of helps match with the sneakers. I think a lot of people slept on this sneaker because they felt like it wasn't nothing to match with it. But you know, with that with the navy blue dots, you might can get away with some jeans. You know what I mean? Some dark blue jeans, denim jeans. So right here is like where the sneaker really performs. The reflective, this reflects at, you know, when it's hit by light. So that's dope. Also, it comes attached with your shoestrings that's also reflective. These little dots can reflect. Your tongue has that soft mesh look. It looks like a different tone of gray also. Come around. We already know Yeezys come like this. You come around here, we also have that reflectiveness look in the inside and the outside, which really makes the sneaker pop. Come here, your sock line is not the softest sock line I ever felt, but I guess it'll get the job done. And also on your shoestrings, you got the reflective tips. The inside, just like every other Yeezy 700, says Yeezy Ultralight. Then you got your shoe measurements right here. Come down to the bottom, and there go your boost technology. It's in that nice caramel brown. And you got your boost technology all through the shoe there. Makes the shoe super comfortable. Then your Adidas logo on the back heel tab.
Ask you this. I'm asking
What's the name of your clothing line? We don't know.
I mean, the sneaker does its job. I really like the sneaker. It's not one of my favorites, but I guess Yeezy's being like more scientific as he came out with the Arnishas, and we had to define Arnisha, and it said to keep things the same. So I want to define, well, look up what Geode means, and Geode means a small cavity in a rock line with crystals or other mineral matters. So I guess Yeezy's like scientific now, man. But
He's gonna wild out and he's gonna do something crazy. Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
I like the sneaker. The sneaker may sit because of the $300 price retail, and you know, people don't have $300 throwing on sneakers that they really ain't gonna wear a lot, or really it's not hyped up. Okay, so here's both shoes side by side. Yeezy 700 V2 Geodes, and I think they okay, man. Let me know in that comment section below if you cop, if you looking to cop. They're definitely still available. Probably not on Adidas, but you got like, you know, Sense, Nordstrom's. You got Yeezy Supply still has a few sizes. So this is Sneaker Notes, and if you're new to Sneaker Notes, we do a segment called What's on Foot. So this is the segment right here where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. It ain't gotta be nothing super. It can even be slides. I just want to see in the comments what y'all rocking on foot. Today, doing the Yeezy 700 V2 review. So I made sure I kept it Adidas. I'll be a little biased to Nike. Check me out. When it get real and the milk spill, I'm left asking if I got friends still. So if you love me, then say that back. Cause when you love me, there's no cap. So if you... Yeah, so those are the Yeezy Beluga 2.0s. I almost said just the regular Belugas. But those are the 2.0s. Very dope sneaker in my opinion. I just feel like Yeezy's coming out with so many 350s now that the dope ones are really not being classified no more. But again, on foot, I got on the Yeezy 350 Beluga 2.0s. In that comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot. My recommendation, if you like the sneaker, you buy the sneaker. You don't care if it's sitting. But with Yeezys, you gotta keep them. Even if you don't wanna keep them, hold them, because resale value always goes up. You just gotta have that patience with Yeezy. Like I remember I copped the 700 Mauves, and I hated those sneakers, man. I thought those sneakers was trash. But look at the resale now. When I first copped them, the first 2 weeks, they were going for retail or under retail. But look at them now. Go to StockX, check the prices now. They're up. So again, this is your Yeezy V2 700s Geode or Geode or Geode. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's your boy Sneaker Notes, man. I appreciate everybody for the love, the support. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and catch you on the next video, man. Everybody, get rich. When it get real and the milk spill, I'm left asking if I got friends still. So